as we continue the scholarship tour. We're now in Ontario. So my name is Margaret McKenzie. I help people find scholarships. The only problem that students have said to me is that finding scholarships takes too much time. Well, did you know in reality the time-consuming part is getting all of your awards, your transcripts, and essays together? Once you set up your binder with all this information, you can apply for multiple scholarships every week to multiply your successes. Don't wait, apply today. The province of Ontario has thousands of dollars of post-secondary education students to gift to students. From welding to PhD and everything in between. If you're studying in Ontario, there are so many scholarships just waiting for your application. Remember, more than $15 million in scholarships never get claimed simply because no one's applied. Don't wait, apply today. Please check out my Instagram at feature.scholarships for daily videos. Leave a comment, tell me what you're studying, share, or just say hi. I'd love to hear from you. My door is always open. Cheers.